Hi, this video is to guide you how to add variance in Ecoplus. First, we click the tab on the top. Then select Variance Management. Click the Add icon on top to add. First, we key in the variance code. Then key in variance description. If your variance is fixed price select on, then key in the price. Then we add new group. First we key in group name. Key in sequence number. If your variance is multiple selection, then click it. After that click add. Now we select the group we added just now. Then click Add to complete. You can see the group sauce and variance ketchup is showing at the list. Next we go to Items. Select the item you want to point with the variance. Click Manage Variance. Click Edit. Find and select the variance you want. After select, click Save. Then remember to select on for variance and click Save again. Now we go into table to see how it works. You can see the variance already point to the item. Thanks for watching.